Welcome to how to send photos from Instagram to WhatsApp. So in this video we are going to show you how to send photos from Instagram to WhatsApp. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will just open up your Instagram application, and then what you're gonna have to do here that let's suppose that if I wanted to send this photo, okay, if I wanted to send this photo to WhatsApp on someone, what I gonna have to do, I will tap on this share option here, okay. And now if I tap on this share option here, you can see that we don't have any kind of download option here, but we do have this WhatsApp option here. So I will tap on WhatsApp here, and then it will basically open up my WhatsApp contacts. And what I will do, I will tap on the contact to whom I want to send this, and then I will tap on next. And then it will basically, what it will do, it will basically send the Instagram post link to that specific person. And when that person tap on that specific link, they will be redirected to this post, okay. And the next method that you can do, you can basically, you can always take the screenshot, okay. So just take the screenshot of the post, okay, and then open up WhatsApp, and then from here open up that specific chat, and then from here open up photos, and then send it here. So these are the methods from where you can basically share the Instagram photo to WhatsApp. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.